Hi everyone, Journey here, and welcome to my channel. So as we continue to cover a lot of our gaming cryptos during this market dump, let's talk about Alice. For those of you who have not watched my recent videos and only are concerned about what Alice is doing, just bear in mind that as long as Bitcoin continues to be below the weekly 21 EMA and the weekly 20 moving average, then really don't expect much. Your altcoins, the gaming cryptos, everything else will continue to bleed. But that's not going to stop me from telling you what's really going on the charts so that at least you can plan accordingly. And let's dive in. So looking at Alice on a daily time frame, it appears that we were just going sideways for a while. But actually that is not true. Over its recent price action, we actually have formed an Elliott wave structure right here. So this is your wave 1, this is your wave 2. We were in the midst of our wave 3, wave 4, and we were supposed to go on our potential wave 5 destination much higher than this. But unfortunately, the market dumps happen. So if you're not that familiar with Elliott waves, you may be thinking, are we still gonna go to our wave 5 destination of whatever price targets are up here? Unfortunately, no. This particular structure is invalidated. Why is that? Because when the wave 4 price has gone below the wave 1 high right here, then this structure is pretty much done. We would have to reset, wait for new structures to form, and chart a new path moving forward. So when dealing with market dumps like this, what we can do is map out key support areas that we need to adhere to as either potential bottom structures or potential buying opportunities before Alice's eventual continuation to the upside or when the markets start picking back up. The first thing is this current price level that we are in is right now part of this key support structure right here. What does that mean? That means we can either bounce off the upper trend line for these swing highs, or if we fall lower, the quote-unquote bullish case that can happen for Alice is we just hang out here on a sideways movement for a while waiting for the EMAs to sort of catch back down with us, so that once the markets recover, it is much easier to break through the EMAs, backtest them as support before continuation to the upside. If we fall from here, then expect that this could be another potential support right here of around $10.59. And if we fall from here, then this is then your next level of support structure right here, which is around $9.55. We don't really want to go lower than $9.55 because from there, it's a pretty steep drop. So for example, this is the next particular support area. If we fall from that price point, this is around $7.28. If we fall from there, then we are currently dealing with another price level of $6.31. The next level of support will be here of around $5.47. And if we fall from here, then it's a pretty steep drop once again, where we can explore $4.40. But will we go there? It really depends. If we go into a bear market now, sure, everything will go to hell anyway. But if we assume that the Bitcoin price will sort of bounce back from here eventually, these are most likely the realistic support levels that we will be looking at. One thing to note is this $9.55, when you match it back with the respective RSI, this is the recent bottom RSI that we have encountered of around 31 before we bounce back and continued on our bullish ways. So right now, it's still a pretty significant gap from here. So our RSI level is at 40 now. So one thing to note is, apart from looking at the support levels, also look at the RSI. If ever we continue to go down from here, this 31 RSI right here, regardless of where the price action will be, could be a potential buying opportunity before our continuation to the upside. But do expect that we will drag on from here. How do we know this? It's because if you look at Alice's recent price history, when the stock RSI hits the bottom, most of the time it really drags before continuation to the upside. If you're looking to come into Alice, then really use this opportunity to accumulate more if you believe in the project. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.